Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am back with a brand new updated video today to show you how to get mods on Gorilla Tag. This is working right now in 2026, uses no PC, and guys, this is literally a Gorilla Tag promo code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to unlock the secret mod menu. So this is no third-party install. As you can see, most of the mods for Gorilla Tag are sort of like paid for installs, and yeah, basically guys, I'm going to show you a free method to get a mod menu on Gorilla Tag, and this is really easy. It takes just a few minutes. So before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and go ahead and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile internet browser just to get to this Gorilla Tag code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in game, and it's going to unlock a secret developer mod menu. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it just like this, and Crash Coupons is a game code website, and as you can see, I'm just scrolling down here. They have hundreds and hundreds of different codes for different games. Yeah, they don't only have Gorilla Tag, but what you need to do, guys, is basically just use the search bar, and that is going to find the Gorilla Tag page. So you can just search for it, and on this page there is a code. So scroll down, and this is the secret mod menu code. Get access to the mod menu in Gorilla Tag. Now these codes are limited. You can see at the top there, 442 coupons left. So what you need to do, guys, is click on this button, and it is going to allocate you one of the limited codes. Now, because obviously mod menus are pretty desirable, what this is going to do is going to show you the code, but you need to unlock it. So as you can see, the code is hidden, and this basically just stops people stealing all of the codes. So it limits one code per user. So I've already done this. I won't do it again. I don't want to waste the code for this tutorial, but basically you need to click on that get full code button, and there's going to be a new screen that tells you how to unlock your Gorilla Tag mods code. It takes about 5 minutes. You just got to complete a couple of tasks. Make sure you follow all of the instructions, and if you do that, your promo code will be revealed, and you can redeem it in the Gorilla Tag computer in the redeem promo code part, and that is going to get you mods on Gorilla Tag, guys. And like I said, this is no PC, so you just use your mobile internet browser to do this. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons and make sure you do search for the Gorilla Tag page and just select the mod menu code. Follow the instructions to unlock it. So yep, enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.